So in our next step, let's understand how we can edit our main pages. Again, those of you that are new to WordPress, or even if you're familiar with WordPress, I want to make this one step at a time, very simple. So what we need to do is change the information on the About page. I would certainly put an affiliate disclaimer to be there for you, and then do some basic changes to our privacy policy. These are very important things to have in your website to keep you out of trouble if you're going to do marketing on Facebook and or YouTube. You need to have these things in place. If you're going to basically have an affiliate, you have to have an affiliate disclaimer, and it should be listed on all your pages, as well as a privacy policy. So let me share with you how to make changes, not to the affiliate. I would basically keep the wording there, because that basically comes from Amazon, if in fact you want to use an Amazon affiliate program. So whoever you're an affiliate for, make sure you do diligence and get their copy that you should have on your website to keep you out of trouble. Okay, so since I'm logged in as an admin, I could change the About page. I can change, well, the contact page. I will share with you how to set that up. But let's go to the privacy page. So as an example, here is my privacy page, and it's basically just very generic information about the privacy of your site. This is the kind of stuff that's going to keep you out of trouble. So I'm going to go to Edit Page and Changes to my domain name. My domain name is roberts.shorts.recipes. So since I'm a lazy guy, I'm going to copy that, and I'm simply going to swap out the name of my site. Simple, simple, simple. Now, if you don't really have to do a hyperlink, so what I might suggest you do is go to the text section and then paste. This way you won't get the hyperlink. Okay, so I basically just take this, get rid of that. I'd probably get rid of the ending slash, that's not necessary, and update the changes. It's really that simple. It's a WordPress installation. And come up here to View Page, and you'll see that is now related to your website. Now, the other thing you want to definitely do is to keep in mind, people like to make that personal contact. So this is very generic information. So say something about yourself. Again, if you're new to WordPress, it's really this simple. Any page, any post can be edited from the top banner. You simply have to be logged in as an admin. So I'm going to hit Edit Page. And then I would put information about yourself. Now, if you want to add a photo or whatever, I'm just going to click Media. I would have a couple of things in here. I just want to share with you that if I wanted to upload my photo, I could do that as well. But let's say I just want to put this inside my About page. Now, what I want to do is I don't want my text ended up like this. So I could basically align this to the left, which would make the text go to the right. And again, if you hit the return key, this is automatically going to be a paragraph. But then you can change things for SEO. So the first thing, this should be either an H1 or H2 tag, and then it's H2, H3, H4. That's good practices for SEO. Again, this is very simple stuff. So if you want to add a picture of yourself, simply go to Add Media, go and upload the file, and bring it into your WordPress site. And then what you can do is align this to the left so the text goes to the right. Okay, I'm not going to save this, so I'm just going to get out of here. Now the next step is to put in your contact information. So the form is already there for you here. So I'm not going to change anything to the form. Now, if you want to say contact Jenny, contact whatever your name is, contact your company name, et cetera, you can certainly do that. So I'm going to go back to my dashboard again. And there's a plugin called Contact and Contact Forms. Okay, this is Contact Form 7, which is a very, very popular thing to use. Right now, in general, you can't put in a Gmail account, but I have properties in your back end that allow you to put in a Gmail account. So all you have to do is go to Mail and replace this information with your email address. Okay, so if you put in your Gmail address or your Yahoo address or whatever you want to do, just simply put this right here. Okay, that's the first step for the form email, where it's coming from. Okay, now the second thing you want to do is go up to your website and go to Contact. So when somebody submits information, it's now going to come from your email address, etc., etc. Now, the other thing you may want to do is go into your Google account or your Yahoo account, whatever mail program you're using, and set up properties so it doesn't go to your spam folder. Okay, so let's move forward. That's how you set up the About page, change the privacy information page, and then change the contact information so this form goes to you. So let's move forward.